Hello everyone, my name is Ma Li. Today we are going to talk about an overview of explanatory sequential designs. At first, I will introduce you the explanatory sequential designs. In these designs, quantitative data is collected in the first phase, and qualitative data is collected in the second phase. Either the quantitative or the quantitative data can be given a stronger priority. That is to say, either the qualitative phase can be dominant. It is noted by uppercase colon to lowercase colon. Or the quantitative phase can be dominant. It is noted by uppercase colon to lowercase colon. Here we look at the diagram of explanatory of design. When using an explanatory sequential design, the research collects and analyzes quantitative data, and then collects and analyzes qualitative data to explain the quantitative findings. The findings represent integration of the data. Qualitative examination of the phenomenon facilitates a fuller understanding and is well suited to explaining and interpreting relationships. Here are the purposes of using the design. In explanatory designs, data from the second phase are used to build on or explain the data from the initial phase. Then we are going to talk about the suitable seasons for applicating the designs. An explanatory design is especially suitable in following situations. First, when the quantitative results are surprising. For example, the unanticipated non-significant results or significant circuitous results. And second, when the results are complicated and tricky to interpret. At last, when the sample has numerous outliers that are difficult to explain. Now, we talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of the design. First, the advantages. We learn about that explanatory sequential designs are easier to implement than designs in which quantitative and qualitative data are collected at the same time. Then, what about the disadvantages about this design? This type of approach shares the disadvantage of other sequential design in that it also requires a longer period of time and more resources that would be needed for one single method study. Published studies using these strategies are more difficult to identify in the literature because the two phases sometimes are published separated. For example, the researchers publish articles in the quantitative phase first, then continue publish the qualitative phase after a while. So those are the research examples of explanatory sequential design. Thank you for your listening.